Project 3, population, preparing for the city population. Population, how can we plan for this? News of your new city is spreading around, is rapidly spreading around. People are all excited to move here. In order to make sure we have enough resources for each new member, you're going to make sure we plan appropriately. The city of Chambly, Doraville, and Brookhaven have a combined population of 100,050 citizens currently living here. Compare that to the city of Atlanta, which has 498,044 citizens. Having a larger city means that you should have more resources. For example, police departments, hospitals, grocery stores, etc. We have to make sure we have enough. So using the data provided, how many citizens are you planning for? Round your population to the nearest whole number. So you will use this chart to complete this chart using this information. So use the rounded population for Chambly, Doraville, Brookhaven, and the rounded population of Atlanta to complete the chart. So these are the resources: the museums, fire department, police, grocery store. Number needed per population. So the more people you have, the more of these resources you will need. So example, one museum for every 15,000 citizens. How many are needed in the Chambly area? So every 15,000 citizens, you will need one museum. So if you have 100,050, you divide that by 15,000, and this will tell you the number of museums you will need. So you then round this number, 6.67 rounds to 7. So how many museums will be needed in the Atlanta area? So you have approximately around this figure, this number, 498,044. It rounds up to 500,000. You divide 500,000 because you need one for every 15,000 citizens. You get 33.3, excuse me. So that was rounded to 34. And you do the same thing for here. One for every 100,000 citizens. So you round this number to see how many of these fire departments, police departments, grocery stores you will need. So for each resource, and you will complete the chart that way. Our fourth and final activity for you to choose from is designing a park using a coordinate plane. So for here, you're using a coordinate plane, using a coordinate plane graph, design the layout of your park. After designing the layout, tell where you located each piece using ordered pairs, i.e. 8, 3. So this is your plotting your numbers on the x-axis, and 3 will go on your y-axis. In your coordinate plane graphing, you will name the theme park selection, the shelter, the park benches, the extra equipment. Design the park using the coordinate plane. So you have your shelters. These are all the equipment, the theme equipment. Each one, you only select the one, whichever one you selected, or you can select one of these, and you will place it onto your grid. You will select one area from each one. Your park shelters. Excuse me, I'm going so fast. Your tables and benches, and your other playground equipment. And you will place this onto your, describe where it will be on your coordinate grid. So you will use this coordinate plane graph to design the layout of your park. So where would you put each item, each playground equipment? So you would here, You will put your playground item, the name of it, and then the ordered pair. For example, 7, 8. So if you look on the grid, I'm just going to say if you had a slide, the first one you'll be going on your x-axis and y-axis. So 7, 8, you count over 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm sorry. I had to start over. So you go over 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, my computer is moving ahead of me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's where your ordered pair will be. And you will do that for all of your playground items listed. Put the item and then where it will be located. You will choose 2 of your 4 options to complete. Once again, to complete your Math Virtual Learning PBL. That is your virtual learning project.